iOS 18 has even more hidden features, and in today's video we are going to go over just a handful of them. So without further ado, let's get started. The first tip involves using the new Photos app. With the Photos app, you will now be able to identify photos that you've taken that has handwriting. In order to see all of those photos, you want to scroll to Utilities, tap on Utilities, and then you'll see handwriting. You will also see illustrations, QR codes, and a bunch of other subjects. We tap on handwriting, and we can see that there are several photos that has handwritings. I'll just tap on this one here. It's a pretty old one, and you can see that there is handwriting on the photos here. The next tip comes from the podcast app. iOS 18, you'll now be able to share sections of a podcast. You want to tap on the three dots here, then you want to tap on share episode, and then here you will see right below the name of the podcast and the episode, it says from start. You can just tap on that, and then you can select the point at which you are currently in the podcast, and you will be able to share the podcast from that particular timestamp. This last tip actually inspired this entire video, as well as what's happening in North Carolina and the southeastern US with Hurricane Helene. With the iPhones 14 through 16, you'll now be able to use the satellite communications in order to send text messages, answer phone calls, and get in touch with people that you care about. In iOS 18, you'll be able to access the satellite demo from the control center, and once you tap on satellite, then you will have to follow the step-by-step instructions in order to know how to use this particular feature. You want to keep in mind that the location service Compass collaboration needs to be turned on in order for this particular feature to work. Hopefully you will never be in a situation that you'll have to use this feature. So that is it. Those are some hidden iOS 18 features. I have a video of another set of hidden iOS 18 features that you can watch, and I have an iOS 18 playlist as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and consider subscribing. Thank you all for the wonderful engagement. I really appreciate it. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.